Hi, good morning. This is Steve Crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. So this morning I'll be showing you how to make money from buying USDT on Binance using Naira. And it will go from knowing how to deposit your Naira so that you wait for USDT to come down, for the price of USDT to Naira to come down, then use your Naira to buy, then wait for USDT, the price of USDT to Naira to go up, then you sell on Binance P2P. So without further ado, let's see how we can go about this. First and foremost, I'll show you spot trade. I'll show you where to find spot trade, where to find the pair between USDT and Naira. So this is trade. I've logged into my Binance. This is trade. So we come to trade. You can see USDT Naira. So if in case it is not there, you can just click here. You click it. Then on this search box, you can type NGN. So now you can see we have BTC NGN. I'll be doing a video about this later. Make sure you watch, subscribe and follow so that you can get this and hit the notification button. But I'll not be doing the video for this now. This is what we are doing now. USDT NGN. So you click USDT NGN. Now even if you're a beginner, you can do this. This is a simple trade. This is simple trade and you can just be ready for it at any time. Now when you see presently USDT NGN is selling at 879. That is to say, if you want to get one USDT, you must for one USDT you must pay around 879. Let's say 878. Now this is my Naira balance. You can see my Naira balance is 20 Naira 0.52. Now I have not deposited Naira. That will be part of this video. Now, so this is what you come to this indicator sign, this double candle sign. You can see it. You click it. So I want to show you how I do this. Now for the past, okay, this is our daily chart. You can see it's a 1 day daily candle. It's a 1 day daily candle. So for the past, let's say 10 to 15 days now, each candle here represents a particular day. So this today candle, it is still green. Now let's say for the past 10 days, guys have been making money. People have been making money trading USDT to Naira. They've been using Naira to buy on spot trade, and also wait when it goes up they sell. So now for 4 days ago, this is a 4 days candle. This is the 4 days candle. You can see, let me click it, this red here. You can see that Naira, the low price of Naira was 834. You can see it here, 834, and the high was 876 for that particular day. So if you had bought Naira at 834 here, okay, let me go back to the candle again so that you can see it well. Okay, see it here. For that day alone, this is what describe it. The low for that day was 834, and for that same day the high was 876. So if you had bought dollar here at 834 and it came up to 870 something that day, you can still sell. You can sell, and it is plenty of profit. If you use a handsome amount of capital, it is plenty of profit. So let me show you how to go about this. So let's go back. Now this is how we go about it. Now let's say you come to this place. For you to be ready, you come to this place, you come to home. For you to be ready, for you to deposit Naira, you come to home, then you click on home. So when you come to home, you see what? Buy with Naira. You see deposit Naira. You see P2P. This is buy deposit Naira. So you click on deposit Naira. Let's wait for it. Okay, this is it. So this is after you click it. This is Naira NGN. Means you want Naira to be deposited on your Binance account. You want Naira to be deposited on your Binance account. So you come to bank transfer. Don't use e-wallet cash link. So these people here, these are cash link merchants. So you click, you see, you can select. You can see it can be selected. So we are not using e-wallet, so we are using bank transfer. You select bank transfer, then you click on continue. Right? you click on continue. So this is a P2P for Naira, that's using cash link. If you want Naira to be deposited in your bank account, this is a P2P platform for it. So this is it. You come here, let's say you want to do 100,000. So you want to send 100,000. Watch it. They'll give you, pay your charge fee. You pay what? You pay 300 naira. This is what you pay, right? So your actual payment will be this. Okay, I think the system is even malfunctioning, saying you receive 300 naira. Let's delete and see. Okay, now see, if you are doing 10,000, you are going to be receiving 9,900. So your fee is 100 naira. So that's what you will send. You will not send 9,900. You will send 10,000 to the person. So you can do up to 100,000. You can do up to 200,000. So let's continue with this. So you click on continue. Guys, people have been making money with this particular method for the past days. That Naira, even up to a month now, that Naira has been fluctuating. So I just say, let me show you so that we all make money. Okay, it's loading. So you can see that, please do not use crypto in your description when you are making transfer. Don't use, if not the money will be freeze. Don't use crypto word. So they are telling you already that you should not use crypto word, so you cancel like this. Now automatically a merchant will be given to you. You can see this is the merchant that has been given to me. You can see his name, his bank is Stanbic Bank, Abdurrahman Musa Mohammed. This is it. This is his account. Can you see? This is his account number. This is the reference. Now you will copy this number. When you copy this account number, after you have made payment, you come to I have paid. You can see the time. You can see the time. You can see the time duration for this. After you have made payment, you can chat the merchant up here. You can just click on chat and chat him up, or you call him. If you click on this call, his number will show. You understand? You can see you have copied this number. Go to your number and copy your dialer and dial it. Now you can chat him up here. You can chat him up here. You can also cancel like this. Okay, like I said, you can make that payment. Well, after you have made that payment, right, you come to I have paid and click I have paid. Only when you have made payment, then you upload your receipt under this chart. You upload your receipt under this chart. You upload your what? Your receipt. Immediately Naira will be credited to your account. So I'm not doing a live trade now. So I have a video that I've done live trade already before. In case you want to do that, I'll put the link in the description for you to know for how to go about this trade. So I'm just doing this so that you know it's a new video, so that you know how to do it at once. Now after you have made payment, you click I have paid, I have made payment, and the value, the money you have paid will be credited. Naira will be credited to your account. So in this case, 9,900 will be credited to your account. If you are doing 100,000, I think the charge is 300, and you're having 99,700 credited to your account. So after that has been credited to your account, now let me just cancel it because I'm not paying. Let me cancel it. So after you have deposited, now this is what you do. After you have deposited, you come back to trade. You come to trade. Now in trade, you can see what I was saying. This is USDT. We are in USD. You can see formerly it was 878.79. Now it's 881. So you have a balance for here. You have a balance of Naira here. Then you come. You can even set a limit buy, and you can just say at the market price. Let's say this came down to 850 now. You can just put your amount of Naira here. Then you buy. Then when you buy, the amount of equivalent amount of USD will be credited to your account, right? When USDT, now when naira now is now very high, when it now goes up, right? When it now goes up, then you now sell. You come to this place and you sell your naira. You can now sell your naira for what? For USDT. So that is how we trade spot here. We trade USDT naira on spot. This is fiat. This is purely fiat, not crypto. So we trade USDT to naira on spot. So I'll be doing a video for BTC, also BTC to naira, in case of the fluctuation of BTC. When BTC drop down, you can also use your naira, deposit naira, and use it to buy BTC. And at the same time, when BTC goes up, you resell your BTC back to what? Back to USDT. Then you cannot bring the money out through Binance P2P. So kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, make your comment, tell me what next you want me to what next video you want me to do for you. And so I'll be glad to answer your questions. And hit the like button, hit the notification button in case I send the next video, and also subscribe to our channel in order to help the channel. Thank you.